Hello everyone, this is Shaista. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss IGNOU question paper course code BANS 184 Public Health and Epidemiology. If you like this video, then like and subscribe this channel. Session First A. Question number first. Briefly discuss the origin and development of public health. And question number 2. Write an account on National Health Program in India. This is the answer of question number first. Public health has been a part of human civilization since its beginning, with communities working to promote health and fight disease. Development of public health has been shaped by several historical events. Ancient times, the 14th century plague epidemics, the industrial revolutions, the 1800s, mid-1800s is the other factors that have shaped the modern public health systems include, you can see the answer. Next, question number 2, solution. National Rural Health Mission, a combination of the reproductive and child health 2 project, the National Disease Control Program, and integrated device. Other national health program includes National Iodine Deficiency Disorder Control Program. Point number 2, National Mental Health Program. Point number 3, National Program for Palliative Care, National Oral Health Program, National Organ Transplant Program. You can see many programs. And next, question number 3. Briefly describe various types of descriptive study. You can see the answer of question number 3. Here some types of descriptive study: case study, surveys, And next question number 4. Write short notes. First, communicable disease. B, healthcare service. C, vaccination. You can see the answer of 4A, communicable disease. Communicable disease summary. Prevention of communicable disease also. And next, healthcare services are formal arrangement and systems that deliver healthcare to specific populations. They are fundamental part of society and the economic. You can see types, providers. And next, C, vaccine. Short notes. Vaccine are the safe and effective way to protect against disease by training our body immune systems to recognize and fight harmful germs. Vaccine can be given as injection, pills, liquid or nasal spray. So you can see the short notes of vaccine. And next, section B. Question number 5th. Discuss the impact of globalization on human health. The answer of 5th. Globalization has both positive and negative impact on human health. Positive impact: improve access to healthcare, rapid disseminations, medical knowledge. So you can see the explanation of question 5th. Other health impacts. Globalization can also lead acute and epidemic infection, lifestyle disease, tobacco pandemic. Next, question number 6. Elucidate the role of NGOs in health sector of India. It is very important question because many times repeat it, and this is the answer. Non-governmental organizations play a vital role in India health sector by providing service, advocating for health, filling gaps in healthcare, responding to emergency, training, empowering communities. reducing burden on healthcare system.
Next, question number 7. Define environmental health. Discuss the effect of biological, chemical and physiological agents in air on human health. So this is the answer of 7. Environmental health is a branch of public health that focuses on the relationship between the environment and human health. So you can see the explanation of question number 7 with suitable answer. And next, question number 8. Write short notes on any two. T-test, SPSS. This is the short notes of T-test. You can see the answer of T-test. How were some things to know about T-test? When to use T-test? How to use? To perform a T-test, define the hypothesis you want to test. Point number 2, specific and acceptable risks of making a faculty conclusion. 3rd, calculate and test statistics from your data. You can see many points. Answer of 8B. And next, 8C, ANOVA. ANOVA is a statistical technique that compares the means of multiple groups to determine if they are significantly different, how it works, the outcomes, when to use it. This is my last question with answer. So guys, if you like this video, then like and subscribe this channels and comments in comments box which question paper next discuss. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye bye.